chase my name. She's playing my game, but I'll play the same. She thinks she knows the game.
Hey guys, back at it again with another video, but this video is gonna be 100% different. Pretty much I was welding at my school and I had some problems when I was welding. Pretty much I welded a piece of metal to the table, and this is me trying to remove all the metal from the table that I accidentally welded to it. So pretty much right here I am connecting another piece to it so I could use leverage and just rip it off with brute force. Long story short, that did not work for the longest fucking time. Obviously you could tell by just me ripping on it and trying as hard as possible, but it's just not working. But I'm just gonna have a little compilation right here of me just trying to kick ass, and then at the end you'll see me finally getting it. This video won't be that long, but in real life this took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes, about that, just to remove this from the table. So yeah, this is why you should just not fucking weld at all. And yeah. So yeah, here's the video, guys.
It burns like a firework inside my head. Can't learn, think I'm the only girl inside your bed. Touch me in the summertime, crush me in the wintertime. Touch me in the summertime, crush me in the wintertime. I've been chewed up and spit out and trampled on, but I like it, the taste of a love gone wrong. All this fighting, this feeling inside my bones. I've been staring till something lights up my phone. It's drugs, I'm addicted and I just can't quit. One sip, the skin is whiskey on red lips. Touch me in the summertime, crush me in the wintertime. Touch me in the summertime, crush me in the wintertime. I've been chewed up and spit out and trampled on, but I like it, the taste of a love gone wrong. All this fighting, this feeling inside my bones. I've been staring till something lights up my phone. Black mirror, I've been chewed up and spit out and trampled on, but I like it, the taste of a love gone wrong. I've been chewed up and spit out and trampled on, but I like it, the taste of a love gone wrong. All this fighting, this feeling inside my bones. I've been staring till something lights up my phone. Black mirror.
I think it broke my phone.